ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಮಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಯೋಡ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕೊಡೋದು ದ ಕಟ್ ಇನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಯೋಡ್. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ ಇನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್, we'll start the circuit at positive end of the battery, where positive end of the battery is connected to the lower end of rheostat and another positive end of the battery is connected to the positive of milliammeter, and the negative end of the milliammeter is connected to two parts, whereas one is for positive of voltmeter and another one is for P side of semiconductor diode, whereas the black body is P side and the silver coating is of N side for the diode, and the negative of voltmeter and also the N side of diode are both connected to upper end of rheostat, and the remaining lower end of rheostat is connected to plug key and another leftover end of plug key is connected to negative of battery. This is all about the circuit for semiconductor diode in forward bias. And when it comes to take out the readings, we start with 0 in voltmeter and verifying 0 in milliammeter, and let's increase some voltage up to 0.1 volts. Yes, for 0.1 volts the reading in milliammeter will still remains to be 0, and for further increase in the voltmeter we'll go to 0.2. Even for 0.2 volts in voltmeter we are getting 0 current in ammeter, and even for further increase we'll reach 0.3. For even 0.3 we are getting same 0, and for 0.4 we are getting even 0 in amps. Next we'll reach 0.5 volts, so that thereby we can see some increase in current from 0 to nearly some 8 to 10 milliamps. Then further increase in volts will reach to 0.6 volts, where here we can see maximum increase in the current, so that we can conclude that at 0.6 volts we are getting cut in voltage. By plotting the values in tabular column, the tabular column goes like: for 0 volts we are getting 0 value for current, for 0.1 we are getting the same 0, for 0.2 we are getting 0, even for 0.3 we are getting 0, for 0.4 it is again 0, where in 0.5 we got nearly some 8 values of 8 units of current, whereas for 0.6 there we can see some nearly 60 milliamps of current, so that 0.6 can be written as the cut-in voltage for semiconductor diode. If we plot the graph, whereas x-axis will be taken as voltage and y-axis will be carrying the value of current in milliamps. For 0.1 we don't have any value, for 0.2 even it is 0, again for 0.3 it is 0, even for 0.4 it is also 0, whereas for 0.5 we have seen some value of current that is nearly 10, even for 0.6 we have the value for current as 60 amps, so that here we can conclude 0.6 to the cut-in voltage. And here the result goes like: the cut-in voltage of the given diode comes out to be 0.6 volts.